Okay guys, so we're going to be making some stewed jerk chicken with pigeon peas. Okay, so I have my chicken here that I seasoned yesterday. I seasoned this with some jerk seasoning, some salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some smoked paprika, a little bit of allspice powder, a little bit of clove powder, some ginger garlic paste, and some green seasoning, and some dried thyme. What I did was put a little bit of chicken broth so it will have a little liquid to soak in overnight. Okay, so this is what I did to season these chicken wings. Alright, so let's put some oil in our pot here, and we're going to put some sugar to brown. Alright, so this one I'm going to add in my chicken. Alright, so I'm going to turn the fire down to low, cover it, and let the chicken spring its own water. So throughout this process, we will uncover and stir the chicken. We want to cook this like this for about between 10 to 15 minutes, where we just allow the chicken to spring its own water. Also guys, I also had put, when I was seasoning this yesterday, a little bit of tomato paste in it as well. Okay, so 15 minutes is up. So I'm just going to leave this open now so that I can dry out some of this water. And then I would add some chicken broth and some coconut milk to this as well. Okay guys, so at this point I'm going to be adding in some 2 seasoning peppers, some onion, and our pigeon peas. Now this is the pigeon peas from the tin, so what I did was I rinsed it out. So I'm going to add some chicken broth to this. I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk to it as well, to give it a little creaminess. Alright, so we're going to cover this and allow this to cook completely.